What's up? Nice to see you again. Hopefully you guys can hear me loud and clear. I've switched to the DJI Mic Mini. I've done some upgrades to the bike since last time. I put up a new exhaust and I think it looks way better this way. Side mounted. Had some difficulties. I had to grind off some parts, so it's a bit scratched up. You can see some marks down here. I had to grind off the attachment because it was getting in the way for the brake. And I also put up some bar end mirrors right here. The winglets you guys saw, but the flush mounts are new. So a couple of aesthetic changes done, and I think she looks way prettier now. She needs a wash, but I ain't got time for that yet. I gotta get out and ride, you know. Holy fuck, boys. Can you hear that exhaust? It's fucking ruthless. It's like fucking gunshots. The mirrors works nice. That's a good thing. You can finally see again. But yeah, welcome back. Hopefully you guys can hear me loud and clear with the new mic. And I fucking love these pops and bangs. Can you hear it? It's the fucking... Hopefully you guys can hear it. I'm just stoked. It's the first ride with the new exhaust. And I wonder how long I will be able to ride with it before the cops pull me over. I'll see. Alright, we are filled up with gas, and let's just get out for a bit. Let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. It's quite fucking obnoxious, to be honest, but pray to God that you guys can hear me, because I put the noise cancelling on this mic to -12, and and the mic that I put inside the pouch is on -9, I believe, so hopefully you can pick out some exhaust too, and I can merge those together and make something nice out of it. I am also testing out the ISO settings on the DJI, because when I drove into the shadows it got quite dark, you know, and it's hard to color grade when it doesn't adjust correctly. I see a lot of people put their ISO on minimum 100 and just let it be there. I guess that's fine, but when you drive out here like in the woods where there's dark areas, it gets quite dark, so I'd like the ISO to compensate for that. The car is still behind me. And I'm also running on the 32, so it's a bright day, blue skies. The sun is not completely set yet, but hopefully I chose the right ND filter. Jesus, chill out, boy. Today is actually my wife's birthday, so we just gotta go out and get a quick little ride-in session, then she will be home again around 1. She's at work. Then we will just let it be her day. She can choose whatever she wants to do today. I think she wants to go to a thrift shop, so we'll do that. Maybe join the juice. Just everything she wants we will be doing today. Just let it be her day and choose what she wants to do. So we got the home delivery this morning, a little cake for her before she went to work, so she could start the day off right with the cake. And yeah, we'll see what the day brings on. But first we just gotta get a little ride in, try and shoot a bit. It's such a sunny, nice day. It's actually a ride out today, but I won't be attempting. I won't be going on it. So it starts at 1. But so that's why we gotta take advantage of such a beautiful day. Sun is shining. Bike is shooting shots like crazy. Alright, let's see if we can cook up some shots, some action shots actually. I haven't tried it yet, but I am keen to see. Right, back on the bike. Hopefully that edit and audio was clear and good. We're still trying to experiment with settings, so bear with me guys. This is part of the journey. You gotta practice, you gotta fail, you gotta figure shit out. But as long as we progress each time, we get some better quality, better stuff, you know, I'm happy. We ran out of time real quick. I thought we had some more time. Didn't have much more time. I wanted to test out the RS4 Mini, but I don't have time for it today. We gotta do it another day. Go through and see if we can capture something sick with it. this is it. Hope you guys liked the little edit I did. I mean, I didn't have much more mounting points. I only have this one mounting, and I had to take it off the helmet, put it on the other thing, and attach it on the bike. So hopefully I made something out of it, you know. I've got a lot of stuff I want to do this year with the content and the bike and everything. So goddamn loud, boys. I gotta just try a couple of ride out and see. Yeah, it might be too much, to be honest, but it's hella fun. What do you guys think about the tone? I'm excited to test out the RS4 Mini. You guys saw in the beginning of the video that I got a couple of shots with it, just to showcase, you know, what I was talking about. Oh, fuck me, sorry. And yeah, I'm excited to test it out and make like combined with the Osmo Action 5 Pro with the Sony, try and like cut scenes, you know, just implement both of them into videos, because it's a nice camera, you know. Hopefully you guys like this quality, and hopefully it's been improved since the last video. That's what I'm striving for, improving the quality, improving, you know, everything. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, have a good one, boys. It's been fun. I really want to do this more often.